In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export high-resolution images on Figma, fixed. First, open the Figma website in your browser and head to your workspace. Once you're in, open the specific project that contains the image or artwork you want to export. Take a moment to make sure your image is truly ready. That means the layer or frame looks exactly how you want it to appear in the final file, with the correct colors, effects, and size. If you're exporting a part of a design inside a frame, make sure only the layers you want are visible and nothing is accidentally hidden or overlapping. Now, click your image to select it. With the object selected, look to the right-hand sidebar for the export section. Click the plus icon if you don't see an export setting yet. Choose your file format and pick PNG for high-quality results. PNG preserves crisp edges and supports transparency, which makes it ideal for logos, UI elements, and graphics that need to remain sharp. Before exporting, double-check the scale setting. Choosing 2x or 3x will give you a higher resolution version, which is perfect when you need extra clarity for large displays or detailed mockups. You can also add a suffix to keep multiple sizes organized. When you're satisfied, click the Export button. Figma will generate the file and let you save it to your computer. If the background needs to be transparent, PNG will maintain that automatically as long as your design doesn't include a solid background layer. There's also a menu-based path that many people prefer. On the left side, click the Figma logo to open the main menu. Choose File, then Export. This brings up a panel that mirrors the settings in the sidebar. Review your options here the same way. Verify the format is PNG, confirm the scale you need for high resolution, and check the naming so your files are easy to identify later. Make sure the settings match your requirements before you proceed, then export from this menu. That's it. Open Figma, open your project, get your image ready, select it, and export as PNG with the scale you need. With these steps, you'll get clean, high-resolution images every time, whether you use the sidebar export section or the file menu path. Save your files somewhere you can find them quickly, and you're set.